Why do most people of this world feel that there's something missing in their lives? Do you want to know the secret of happiness? Today, I will reveal to you the 6 steps to happiness. Everyone in this world is searching for happiness. Yet, many a time we see that there is a false conception that happiness lies in material objects one has. People are seeking happiness in delicious food, great wealth, watching movies, playing video games, bigger houses, advanced cars, cooler technology, fashionable clothing, exotic tourist places. Some work hard throughout their lives in getting a dream job or desired name, fame, power and prestige, while some lose themselves to drugs, alcohol, parties and adventure sports. Most of these objects may give us little momentary happiness and comfort, but they fail to give true, lasting happiness. In a recent study, psychologists have found out that the happiness one gets from material things lasts only for 6 to 12 weeks. So, when someone gets a brand new car, an iPhone or a piece of new jewelry, the happiness which one gets fades with time. After about 3 months, one wants to move on to something new because these things become out of fashion by then. So we need to ask ourselves a question: does happiness lies in material objects? We see that despite so much materialistic advancement, there is a rampant increase in the rate of mental disorders, stress, depression, anxiety, violence, divorce, crime and suicides. What is that missing element which is causing so many complexities in our life? Have we failed to understand our true identity, our true nature, which is the source of real happiness? In a recent study posted in Times magazine, scientists have found out that those who practice spirituality or religious beliefs tend to be happier than those who don't. Just like a fish cannot be happy without water, the soul cannot be happy without connecting our true nature with God. One can forever remain happy by following the truths taught by wisdom books like Bhagavad Gita, by keeping good association and by practicing mantra meditation.
ISKCON Youth Forum
is organizing 6-session online course. Learn the secret of happiness in 6 steps. It's a step-by-step connection that can make your life sublime. Through these webinars, we will delve deeper into concepts like time management, self-management, anger management, stress management, proactive leadership, art of smart work, art of mastering concentration and willpower. We will also understand spirituality from a scientific point of view, which can boost our emotional and spiritual quotients. We will be exploring Vedic knowledge given in books like Bhagavad Gita that can enhance the all-round personality development, whether it be physical, social, emotional, professional, and most importantly, the spiritual aspect of life. Grab your share of oceanic happiness. Join us for this free webinar which can prepare us for a crescendo of success. Register right now by clicking on the link given below.